Can't you believe it? We made it to the finale? No, I can't believe it as well. Congratulations for making it to the final 2 Book and 8 Ball. Now I want to show you something. So far we've had 12 prizes, and none of them are as great as the great prize. No offense, but it looks kind of ugly. It's time to retrieve the $1 million and terminate me Phone 4. We have to get out. That's easy for you to say. You left Idiotic Island in episode 9. I'm back now, and I can't stand staying here much longer. What are you talking about? I've been in here for 35 months straight, and I want out of here now. Well, I'm pretty sure MePhone will be here any moment to pick us up. That's right, Magnifying Glass. Now everyone, get on the boat if you want to leave this dump. Winning time, ta-da! Welcome to the finale of $1 Million Insanity. Almost 3 years of battling and watching your allies and rivals leave one by one. 8 Ball and Book are still in the game. Yeah! Alright! Before I announce the winner, I'm going to let the eliminated contestants vote on who they want to win. I vote for Book because she's a girl like me. I vote for Book. I vote for Book because 8 Ball is a jerk. Just let it go. Book. Actually, I vote for 8 Ball because he protected me from being shot by a paint gun in Inanimate Insanity. 8 Ball, I know him better than Book. I vote for Book because I feel bad for voting for her last episode. I vote for my dad, 8 Ball. Thanks for voting for me, although I'm not your dad. According to my calculations, Book has a better chance of winning, so I vote for Book. Go Book! Since everyone else is voting for Book, then I vote for her. I don't know who to vote for. They're both my best friends and alliance members. But what if you absolutely had to choose? Who would it be? Book! Book wins by an 8-3 vote, but that doesn't mean she wins the money. Then who wins? Whoever gets the most votes from the viewers. We've received a total of 366 votes, and I'm going to show the votes. Ball is the winner of $1 Million Insanity! Yay! No! Before I give you $1 million, I would like to thank the viewers for watching and the voters for casting their ballots. Toon Master was the first voter, Esma Omar was the last voter, and There was a total of 1,113 votes in this season. Now for the $1 million, which is in the bank. I wouldn't put $1 million in a suitcase because that would be dumb. Hello, you outdated technology. How would you like to be terminated? Oh no, not you again! How did you escape? You think that little box can contain me? No box can contain me. So say your last words. What are you even doing? I'll protect you! Ah! Book, go back! I don't need any help! No! Me, phone, and book! Why are you doing this? What do you want? What I want is to retrieve the million and take over the show. Now where's the money? I have no clue! Liar! Oh no, now 8-Ball is dead forever! If only there was someone stupid and insane enough to go take him down! Hey, you won't get away! In fact, you're going down! Ah! Oh my god, Teddy is dead! Now who's left? Guys, we gotta find a way to take down Mephone X. What do we do? I don't know, but maybe TV has an idea. Actually, I do. What is it? Magnifying glass. You make a distraction, and we'll throw this 8-Ball to Mephone X. After that, Sparky and Macaw will pick up Mephone X and drop him into Cookie's mouth. The rest will make a distraction, along with magnifying glass. I will be managing. Ready, set, go! Hey, Cranky! Yeah! What's up, you big dummy? Grr! Are you ready, 8-Ball? Yeah! Ah! Look out, fool! Oh! He's down! We got him! Delicious! We did it! Yay! Now to bring back Mephone 4. I got this! I'm a time machine! Thanks for bringing me back, computer. And congratulations, 8-Ball, for winning. Now I shall give you the money. I'm going to miss Book and Teddy. They will always be in our hearts. Hey, 8-Ball, I'm sorry. It's okay, I forgive you.